This video will guide you through the AP LAWCET application process. The last date to fill the AP LAWCET form is April 27, 2025. However, candidates can fill the form with late fee till May 25, 2025. The AP LAWCET exam is scheduled for June 5, 2025. Visit the official website sets.apshe.ap.gov.in. AP LAWCET application process comprises two steps. Step 1 is application fee payment. Step 2 is fill application form. Visit the official website and scroll down to find AP LAWCET tab. Now, a new window will appear. You have to click on the Step 1 Eligibility Criteria and Fee Payment tab and click on it. A new web page will appear. Enter the information asked on the web page, including candidate's name, date of birth, mobile number, email ID. Select the stream you are applying for and qualifying exam details. Now, select the type of payment for application fee. Make the fee payment and save the payment reference ID. Now, proceed to Step 2, Fill Application Form. Click on Fill Application Form tab once the payment is done. Enter all the details asked, including the Aadhaar number, address details, preferred examination center. Upload the latest photograph less than 50 KB and scanned signature less than 30 KB. Click on checkbox in declaration field and click on Preview or Submit button. Go through the information entered. At the bottom of the page, candidates will have the option to modify the details and to confirm or freeze the application. Please note your registration number for further correspondence after freezing your application. Candidate can take print out of application by clicking on Print Application button.